this is what we are going to do. So I have a theory, so we all can work on it. So the concept is to earn this amount, what I'm going to do is, or what we are going to do is, we just break this into simple steps. Okay. Step number one, what we do is we will do the research. So what we do research, and then what we do is actually create a Fiverr account. And why we are creating Fiverr account? Cause we don't have any portfolio right now, guys. We don't have any portfolio or past works that we can showcase to someone. So we were actually creating a trust, right? So we don't have anything. So that's why we will be using Fiverr as a trust point. So in Fiverr, we will be uploading some automation workflows. Automation workflows, screenshots, and some screenshots. Let's say just screenshots. We are doing this in a lazy way, right? And the second, what we will do in Fiverr, actually a person who actually helped to build AI agent, right? AI agents. This is what our profile all about, AI agents. So we are creating this on Fiverr. This is what we are doing. We will be uploading some automations. We are creating a profile on Fiverr as a AI agent creator or builder, you can say. Right now, we don't have anything that people can trust on us. We have only one thing, that is time, and which is also unlimited, because we will do researches on AI agents. So what type of agents are actually working, and peoples are actually having actually hiring peoples on Fiverr or some agencies, so they can do the work for their websites or some automations. Like for this, we will be creating a Fiverr profile. After we are creating and earning a few dollars from Fiverr, what we will do is we convert our Fiverr account to a business, right? So for this, we will make our own website. We purchase our own domains and all. You know the famous graph. So the graph says the more you fuck around, the more you figure out, right? Let me break it down a more little. After solving the same problem on a same niche to the, let's say 100 people's, we solve what we are solving. We are providing automation, right? So what we do is we will convert this into a MVP product. Then what we do is after converting the MVP product, we will scale it to the same audience. We will reach out to the same audience if they want this software or not. If they don't, we didn't go further. We will reiterate it. Okay. And after finalizing, if we were actually able to success our own MVP product, what our next step is, we will be scale it to 1,000 people's. 1,000 people say they are using our MVP product, then it's time to make it into a real product. Actually 1,000 actually a lot, I guess. If we just able to find 100 peoples who are actually using our this MVP product, 100 people, let's say 100 peoples who are actually interested in our product, then what we do is we will actually trying to convert it, this MVP product, into a tool. And here's the main part, right? What we do with this tool, we will scale it. Obviously, we scale it. We scale it to 10,000 people. Say we are actually able to acquire 10,000 people by building this tool. They are actually paying us about, for website, say $29 per month. Okay. When we have 10,000 people using, what will be our monthly revenue from this? That will be $29,000, by the way. And if we are actually able to achieve this number, you know the guys, what will be the ARR? $348,000. So if we want to exit from it, let's say I want to exit, I want to sell this tool, right? So how to calculate? The calculation is really easy. That's MRR, what you are actually charging for monthly. Then you have to calculate the ARR, annual recurring revenue. Then if you want to exit, so what's your valuation? Then your valuation is ARR into 10. So this is your final valuation. Okay, we finally achieved 2 millions, right? And that's the math. So this is how we are actually able to achieve $1 million. This is actually not 1 million. This is 3.5 or something. Okay. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's recap one time. So what we are going to do is first we research, then we after researching we will be creating a portfolio and some automation screenshots, and then we will reach out to the people who are actually want our services. Then if we able to found peoples and we're actually able to crack, let's say 10, 20 or 100 peoples, what we do is next we will be creating a website and domain and we convert it to our AI agent agency. After that we will reach out to more peoples. Then after solving the same problem, if you're able to figure out that people were actually paying for the same problem again and again, what we do is we will convert it to a MVP product, then scale it to the 100 people that we already have. If they want it, they have it. Then what we do is if we actually able to crack it, then we convert it to a actual tool. Then we will reach out, scale it, running ads and all. If we are able to achieve this $29 per month MRR, then this is our ARR. At the time if we want to exit, so this is the calculation, valuation calculation, by the way, and this is how we actually able to earn millions, right? So yeah, there are so many things we actually have to face, so stay tuned.